See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the
All
comment
right, so when I see
section.
what they happen, Abi. Yes, on Wike, the FCT minister, he go meet Yerima, a Navy officer for a duty post. He tried to intimidate him to get off a particular land. The guy no agree. In the process, he can't look the Navy officer, Yerima. He say, you are a fool. The Navy officer, Yerima, come tell and say, I am not a fool, sir. I have integrity. At the end of the day, he can't pursue Wike from the land because he no go. Wike needed to go. Wike can't come out from the land. Wike can't go national TV yesterday. Can't talk say, I never said Yerima is a fool. After we all watch when he said Yerima is a fool, Wike can't deny him. Say, he no talk say Yerima na fool. My brothers and sisters, who is now the fool? That fool there. Now Wike be the fool. Because if you go talk something, everybody hear. You know if you stand by him for our kuru you can't deny him, say you no talk him. Then who is the fool? Now you. You see, this is what happens to power drunk people. The smallest person I go call small sheets, now this stingash, small sheets, now this ponya, small sheets. Now they will stop respecting you. They'll stop respecting you. You see, when power don't enter your brain, you go can't forget your role. Again, there's only one public servant that is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. And it's only that one man that can tell an army, a navy, an air force to get off their duty post and they will go. Not you, Wike. You never reach here yet. And with this your character, you will never reach here. I know you have plans to become the president soon in the future. But you can never, you will never. Now your highest political destiny you don't reach. You will never. I've seen your character. Very unruly. Public servants where they talk as if he say he be God. I tell my friends say you must take back that state. No be army, no be navy, no be military. You will take it back. It is in a play today. Now you send me the video. Say you start to the twist mouth. Public servants, no. That's the problem. When I don't chop our money, finish our resources, I don't feel like God. Public servants where they drive Rolls Royce. They carry children up and down. They carry and go political summits here and there. You are not Donald Trump. You didn't have a business before this. Not with that lie where you did a lie the other day. You had no business. Now our country money. Your business is Nigeria. They drive Rolls Royce. Nobody should talk. Small shit, don't spoil. We cannot respect you again. You can never be respected. Because you just clearly showed us what you are. That's the way you can't person something for everybody see on this video. You come again, won't deny her. Again, I ask, who is the fool between you and Yerima? It is obviously you. Peace and love don't play. You know, we not really care. You know, make country good. So anytime you don't oh boy, we could use that. And I say you're gonna learn, you will learn and you will learn the hard way. Don't play.